Camera phone sa halagang 4,000 to 5,000 pesos? Legit ba to? This is the Poco C85. Kung makikita nyo naman guys, meron pang pirma dito. Pero Poco C85 lang din yung nakalagay. Akala mo talaga celebrity no?
Hindi, wow.
Eto guys ay napakalaki na with its 6.9-inch IPS LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate. So hindi lang siya basta malaki, mabilis na rin. The only downside lang pagdating dito is hindi pa rin siya punch hole and medyo malaki rin yung kanyang bezels pagdating dito sa kanyang ibaba. But so far, so good naman. Now for the next part, pagdating dito guys sa kanyang processor, don't expect too much. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. This one has MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra na nakakuha na ng 360,000 pagdating dito sa Antutu benchmark, and it has two variants which is 6128 or 8256 gig. Sa halagang 4,000 to 5,000 pesos, napakasulit na nun. Yun pa lang. Almost all of the other phones at this price point, ganito naman yung processor. And for me guys, naglaro ako dito ng Mobile Legends, Call of Duty, and Hawk. So far, hindi naman ako naka-encounter ng mga major issues like yung hindi makapaglaro or naglalag ng sobra. Minor lags and minor frame drops lang yung na-experience ko with this phone. That is why, like I've said, don't expect too much. Mura lang to, and hindi to gaming-centric smartphone. Mamaya makikita mo kung ano talaga yung strength niya. Now, before that, pag-usapan muna natin yung kanyang battery, which is napaka-rare lang. 6,000 mAh na with 33 watts fast charging pa. So, aabot ka talaga ng up to 2 days kapag napakatipid mong gumamit. Like yung matanda na. Matanda ka na ba? Para sa'yo to. Aabot ka talaga ng matagal dito. Napakakunat ng kanyang battery. Pero, pagdating sa kanyang charging, makaka 50% ka na in just 31 minutes. Ganon kabilis yung kanyang 33 watts fast charging. Now, let's talk about the main thing, which is the camera. So, eto guys, ay Poco C85. C is for camera. And as you can see, pinatunayan niya talaga dito because this phone has 50MP main camera that can take photos like this. Napaka-sharp, napakaganda ng kanyang color production. Nagmumukha na talaga siyang parang iPhone. Yes, napaka-natural niya kasi. And for me, kuhang-kuha niya talaga yung skin tone ko dito. And even yung tamang colors ng sky, leaves. And pagdating sa aking mga ibang pictures dito guys, napaka-sharp niya talaga. Perfect na perfect. Recommended ko na yung photo quality nitong Poco C85. Now, hanggang dun lang yon. Photo quality pagdating sa kanyang back camera and selfie camera, goods na goods na. Pero pagdating sa kanyang video guys, okay pa rin naman, pero medyo maalog. Yes, hindi ko siya mararecommend dahil nga wala pa tong OIS or EIS or any form of stabilization. Kung mahilig kayo mag-vlog like yung palakad-lakad, maalog talaga to. Pero kapag nakalagay lang naman sa mesa or sa tripod nyo, okay na rin yung kanyang video quality actually. For its price, wala na akong masabing masama. So for me, eto at saka yung Tecno Spark 40C and yung Redmi 15C, yung 3 of the best camera phones na mararecommend ko sa presyong 4,000 to 5,000 pesos. For that price guys, napaka-okay na talaga. Medyo lamang lang to dahil nga mas malaki yung kanyang RAM at ROM.